Hey guys, Pablo Pixel Fix here. Thank you for checking out another video from us. So real quick, what you're seeing here, guys, is some of the signals sent out in our Deriv Signals group. So this one is on VIC75. It was a buy signal, and it's going pretty well. This is just some of the few signals that we do send out in our group. But so far so good. If you guys want to get access to this channel and just kind of ride this wave with us, go ahead and subscribe to the channel right now as I teach you how to use these signals profitably. Ensure that you click the bell so that you can get those updates as we release those new tutorial videos for these signals, right? And the third thing is you want to make sure you reach out to Deriv via chat support and ask them to add you under the IB CR1364414. Doing this, guys, just ensure that you are on our team and actually that you will be charged when you migrate to the private Telegram Signals group. Alright, so you automatically become a VIP member once you become a part of our team, so that you don't incur these charges along the way as new people join the group with us. Alright, so that is why this is super important before you actually join the Signals group. Okay, also I want to note that copy trader access, to get the copy trader access, that is totally free for VIP members. There is going to still be that profit split, but just to get the copy trader access and setup, that won't be charged for you guys, so that is totally waived. So again, this is very important, just following these 3 steps. If you need time to do this, just pause the video, but right now we're going to jump right into the signals video and just see how well we can analyze VIC75 and why is it that we actually would want to take this signal. Alright, because some signals will be sent out in the group. It's at the trader's discretion whether or not they want to enter that signal, because that signal might be riskier than others. Alright, so while some signals have a high probability rate, some will have lower probability rate. So it all depends whether or not you want to take that signal or not. But right now in this video, I'm going to teach you how you can filter out these signals for the most profitable ones using our free signals group for Deriv. Okay, so right here, guys, as you can see, we are on the 1 hour chart. Our signals are generated and sent out on the 1 hour chart, guys, and this is how I filter the signal just to make sure that I'm getting into the best trades. Okay, so right here on the 1 hour chart, we can see that buy entry occurred somewhere right there, right? On the 1 hour chart, we can see that price. Let me see if I can get a marker here. So we see that price has came all the way down from a downtrend, and that we have a moving average crossover, right? We can see the moving average crosses right here. But the one thing I want you guys to pay attention to is whether you get a buy or sell signal. Can you see my white moving average right here? You see my white moving average right here? That is what I want you guys to pay attention to, or you can add that to your chart yourself. That is a 200 moving average, exponential moving average. And what that does, guys, is kind of filter out whether or not this entry is in a oversold or overbought position for a buy or sell. So it kind of tells you whether or not it's in a pullback or in a major trend. So in this case, we can see that price VIC75 clearly made a downtrend to this section here, pushing price below or 200 moving average. All right, so right now this is telling me that this is a pullback. All right, this is a pullback for a possible downtrend, all right, or a reversal there to continue an uptrend. So right here, I would be very skeptical and very just cautious entering this trade. And what I mean by cautious is that I'll be looking to trail my stop loss. So if I see that price moves up in my favor, like all the way to here, I'll try to move my stop loss a little bit right below that 200 moving average, just in case price want to reverse and take me out, right? So that's what I want to point out to you guys. If it was a sell trade, right? It was a sell trade, guys, and we got that moving average cross, right, to the downside right here. Then and the moving and price itself is below the 200 moving average, right? I would be more confident to enter that sell trade knowing that price had already broken that 200 moving average and looking to continue that trend further down. So that is, I hope you guys got the drift of that. Right now, as it is, we can see that price is over a little bit above the 50 zone there, heading into the 90 range there on our RSI and MACD. All right, so that is saying that price could fall from where it is right now. And if we try to take all of this off and just go to our daily chart, let me see if I can get it over to a daily chart. You can see that there is strong bearish momentum on the daily chart. So right here, as you can see, price is really looking to push further down for some reason, and this is kind of a retest, a bullish retest here on the daily chart. So I want you guys to take note of that. So what is the nature of a retest? The nature of a retest, guys, is to touch a particular level and then continue its trend down. All right, so price is unpredictable, price can change, but that is the anticipated move of its nature, a retest. Okay, so whether it's a sell to buy or a buy to sell retest, we look for it to touch a particular level and then make a reversement. All right, but right now, as you can see, we got buy signal. We'll be looking to take profits anytime soon. As soon as I see hit price hit TP1 or TP2, I'll be closing TP3 just in case I don't want to lose any of those profits. All right, so that is how I do it. So inner signal group over to this side, guys. We'll see if the signals coming in like they do like this. And inner signal group, guys, we give really detailed. I have never seen a signal group give as detailed signals as these. We give you levels of support. All right, we show you the moving averages, crossovers, where we got that buy entry. As you can see, the buy entry occurred right here. Your stop loss was a little bit below that structure right there, right? So we have good risk management, and we're targeting areas all the way up to this side, right? We're targeting areas all the way up to this side to that verified resistance. So look at all the confluences we provide in our signals, guys. Like, you don't even need to go to your chart or your MT5 to kind of make an analysis or a responsible decision before you enter our signal. So we really worked hard in this for you guys. It's a very powerful signal system, and like I said, you have confluences to kind of work from with our signal group because it hits layers of verified support. It shows you layers of weak support. It shows you verified layers of resistance, and these are not just layers of resistance. These are literal order blocks, guys. I implemented order blocks into our signals group, and if you know the nature of order blocks, price has to reverse at those levels because those are the levels where a huge amount of buyers and sellers are just waiting to enter the markets to push price in their favor. All right, so again, guys, I just wanted to do this quick tutorial. I'll be making more. This was just one for VIX 75. We send out so many signals a day. If we get more in the group today, I'll probably do another video. But if you don't want to miss out, hit the subscribe button and that bell button, guys. And if you want to access to or copy trader, and the V.I.P group, just make sure you go ahead and follow the steps that we provided earlier. So hit the subscribe on the channel, click the bell, and make sure you contact Deriv via chat support and ask them to place you under this introducing broker CR1364414. That is the ID number for team, and this ensures you are on the team when you migrate our members to V.I.P Signals group at no cost. All right, and bonus, you do get access to a copy trader, which grows your account for you. Hands-free, guys. And also, we do have a supercharged Deriv system that grows any $10,000 account to a 50% gain in 2 weeks. So if you have $10,000 in your Deriv account, we can double that in 2 weeks. So there's just so much going on here. We're making this so easy for everybody. Great more stuff to come. Hit that bell, and I'll see you later, guys. Stay safe.